Shayla. Shayla.
When I look at you, I can't believe it's true. You're all I ever.
Good day, fellow explorers. Today, we're exploring the amazing external and internal anatomy of a frog, a powerful jumper and a vocal amphibian native to many regions. But before we jump into dissecting our frog, let's make sure we are fully prepared for safety and success. As they say, dissection requires patience, precision, and respect for the specimen. First, set up your workplace in a clean, well-lit area. Gather all necessary tools like dissecting tray, styrofoam, scissors, forceps, pins, and ruler. Always wear your lab coats, gloves, hairnet, and handle your tools carefully. Safety first and avoid rushing to prevent accidents. Now, with everything ready, let's begin our fascinating exploration of the frog's anatomy. We start with the frog's external anatomy. Notice the dark-colored dorsal side and the lighter ventral side. Here, we can see its hind legs and its forelegs. The powerful hind legs have 5 webbed toes ideal for swimming. Forelegs. This frog exhibits 4 digits, a common characteristics among frogs. Observe the large tympanic membranes behind the eyes. These natural eardrums are especially prominent in males and aid in amplifying sound. Don't miss the nictitating membrane, a clear protective layer over the eyes. If you remove it, it will reveal the eyeball underneath. Next, we carefully pry open the frog's mouth. Using scissors, we cut along the corners of the jaws to allow the mouth to open wide. Inside, observe the sticky tongue attached at the back, which helps catch prey. Notice the single round opening of the esophagus leading to the stomach. Look for the eustachian tubes by the jaw angles, helping equalize pressure underwater. The glottis, a slit behind the tongue, leads to the lungs and is vital for breathing and vocalizing. Finally, examine the vomerine and maxillary teeth used for holding prey securely. Now, position the frog on its ventral surface, pinning the legs to the styrofoam to fully expose the abdominal area. This setup allows us to carefully open the body without damaging internal structures. Using scissors, make a shallow incision from just below the sternum to the cloaca along the midline. It's important to cut gently to avoid puncturing any organs beneath. Then, carefully lift and separate the skin and underlying muscles to reveal the internal anatomy. Within the open cavity, notice the vivid orange fat bodies. These provide the frog with energy reserves. Then, we have the liver, large and lab, processes nutrients and detoxifies substances. Next is the heart. With 2 atria and 1 ventricle, it pumps blood through the body. On either side are the lungs, spongy organs responsible for breathing. Gently lift the liver to reveal the greenish gallbladder where bile is stored. The stomach is where significant digestion occurs. Following the stomach, observe the small intestine responsible for absorbing nutrients, and then the large intestine leading to the cloaca. Finally, carefully remove the skull roof to expose the brain. Key parts include the olfactory lobes for smelling, the cerebrum for processing stimuli, optic lobes for vision, the cerebellum which coordinates movement, and the medulla oblongata that connects to the spinal cord overseeing vital functions. That wraps up our detailed frog dissection. Thank you for accompanying me on this fascinating anatomical journey. Until next time, and keep exploring the wonders of science. Bye!
Oh my God.